RR institutions, set up with the mission of imparting education to all sections of society, was established in the year 1993, converting the idea of providing high-quality education combined with excellent infrastructure into a reality in Indian context.
Hello everyone, I'm Aishwarya from Bangalore.
I'm Shravani, I'm from Andhra Pradesh.
From Maharashtra.
I'm from Kerala.
I'm from Andaman and Nicobar Island.
I'm from Meghalaya.
I'm from Sikkim.
I am from Guwahati, Assam.
From Arunachal Pradesh.
I am from Tripura.
Me from Nepal. I'm from Bihar.
I am from Srinagar in Kashmir state.
I'm from Mizoram.
I am from Tripura.
And I'm from Madhya Pradesh.
I'm from Nigeria.
I'm from the country Zambia in Africa.
Kutoka Tanzania, Africa.
Min Dawlat Sudan.
RR institutions,